Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Let's double check the Ethena targets updates with my custom maker set. We have to reduce our expectation for Ethena. Of course, the market capitalization, it's not the option to determine the potential of the token. It's just a formula, so when the current circulation supply multiplied to the price, and we can see the like market capitalization. But you have to understand the market capitalization, it's not showing us how much the real money, the liquidity inside the token. So just a formula. So it doesn't mean if, for example, now the Ethena sit at 1.39 billion market capitalization, doesn't mean that $1.39 billion inside the ENA. No, it doesn't work like this one. FDV, it's 2.62. So it's just like, sometimes these numbers can confuse us, when we try to determine the projection of the tokens for the future. So anyway, we can work with this current data, what we get now. And in circulation supply, now only 53%. So it means that more tokens will be added into circulation supply by Vest and Shuttle. And to reach $1, we have to reach like almost 8 billion market capitalization at this current circulation supply. And the all-time high by market cap was like 594 market cap. And if we check the market cap and the price, so this is the green lines, it's price, and the blue lines, it's market capitalization. And here you can see how the unlocks affect the price. So, small market capitalization, high price. Right after that, there are more tokens added into circulation supply, high price, high market capitalization, even more tokens added in circulation supply, small price, and high market capitalization. Because the more tokens into circulation supply, and we just multiply the to the price, that number. That's why it's kind of hard to say about the future for ENA. I guess everything will be okay with this token. But first of all, I explained it. I don't like the story with the any token which run their own stablecoin. So this is kind of bad story personal for me, because anyway, only the United States can print the dollar, not even the USDT. Maybe one day we get a problem with even USDT. So what we can talk about in a stablecoin. The yearly open 2025, it can be still like a target. It's $91. So anyway, if we hit the new all-time high by market capitalization, around 8 billion market cap, it can be $1, like a round number. Maybe we'll not touch the exact $1 price and stop at 97. For example, I just showed you the hypothetical trend line, by line charts, touch, daily line chart, trend line, touch. And usually the people waiting, so this was also the touch. The people usually draw the trend lines like this one. So one touch, and now we're gonna break it down, and everybody starts screaming, we're going to the moon. But usually, what I realize, the test of the trend line, just projection of the trend line, gonna be here around the yearly open. Also looks like it should be double bottom, but it's not. Also, it can be the deviation of the bottom here. This one, so we sweep and grab all of this liquidity. Does it make sense to drop lower? Maybe. Take a look at the fundraising rounds. Do we have a data what the price was from the it's nice one here. That guy's in losses now. So the private token sale round in 2025 in February, when they raised it 100 million. Wow. At the all-time high, they was in profit like 278%. So now they in losses 56. So that investors, and it's open question: do they sell their tokens or still in losses and wait to the recover back? So at least if they still in temporary losses, I guess the price can bounce at least to 40 cents, and maybe even higher to 50 cents. So it's X2 from this current prices. The problem is the seed round, the same guys here invested in some way 3. We can't know what was their entry. Also here was it's 6 million raised, it's 14 million raised in some 24. Also we can't know the price. Here's some on a Binance was launch pool and a big launch pool, so it's not a big deal, right? It's for retails. So my target is still relevant. So anyway, I'm waiting the test of yearly open. 2025. After that, we have to track more about a time. Crazy scenario, of course, guys, if we drop under 13 cents and after the Donald Trump dump, it's going to be just open space to drop in the price discovery mode. Done. All right. And keep in mind the $1, 8 billion market capitalization, it's going to be the end of cycle for this token. Also, I explained it today in content network video. So here, everybody who traded classic patterns, like looks like, wow, 1, 2, it's double bottom, shoots rocket to the moon to the $5. It was so obvious, but market makers got another plan. And who could predict? So the Donald Trump dump the token in 1 week from 61 cents to 13. Now we basically close even over than 50% of this week. So I don't know. Does it make sense to drop even lower, into the price discovery mode? I don't know. We can't know what the market makers have in mind. So if we count here, this one, so the support can be at 16.95. I hope we're going to hold the line here. If we talk about a week. If we talk about a daily, we already stop it at 17.29. So it's just an open question, what time frame we should use, daily like support or weekly. So this projection can be real but extended in time because we can't know the time. We can work with the price action, the price data, price levels, but we can't know when. We can build a plan where we can stop and where we can sell, but we can't know when. All right, so if this is a main support line, so 17.90, 29, 19.56, so the next target should be 28.33, and the 40 cents, that guys maybe will out of the break even for a sake. Or maybe they will put the price to the 80 cents and out with initial deposit with free tokens and sell the 100% profit. That's why, guys, you can add even alerts to the yearly open on 45 and wait the target. Also, if you want to buy now, for example, 18 cents up to 100%, so at 34 cents, just withdraw initial deposit and sleep well and forget about this token. Done. Let's take a look now with indicator set. Highly recommend you use the dashboard, just a brand new indicator all in one place. Pretty useful. So this is an ADZ on a daily time frame. It's accumulation. So it's a good one. The worst case scenario, guys, if we crash it down under 13 cents and the format divergence is going to be the bad one. But everything what is under 13 cents, it just price discovery mode. We can't know where the ENA will stop. So this is an accumulation on a daily. Some accumulation on a daily basis on direction indicator. We touch it and basically we format the divergence now on the weekly time frame. So it's bullish. So it's not a time to sell. Based only on ADZ indicator. We can't know the macro. We can't know the plan of the market makers. We work only with the data. What's the algorithm inside of ADZ? Analyze it. So we can't. Indicators can't predict the news, for example, or decision of the Donald Trump about a crypto market. So here's the accumulation. Technically, it's bullish. Time to sell will be at the top. Direction, we're still waiting the signal here. Bullish trend over. So I'm waiting the test of this top, and it's going to be like a trigger to start open short position or sell the ENA if you hold it. All right, so let's take a look at the market mood indicator. It's total depression decapitulation since January 18 on the daily. Weekly time frame, we also, since beginning of November, we're in capitulation zone. Nobody cares about the ENA anymore, but everybody's screaming we're going to the moon. Just recently in summer 25. So this was a capitulation. We pumped it from 23 cents to 86. Now we're in the same condition. Maybe it's going to be bullish. We will see. 12 time frame, also capitulation. Money power, no money inflow. We trade at the bottom since January 19. No money inflow. Wow. Some money inflow on a daily. It was 1, 2, 3 days in a row money inflow. And the weekly, no money inflow. So let's add alerts to the money power indicator, money inflow on the weekly, and track. Maybe some whales trying to DCA, So the last money in was at 21.71. So now nothing, but at least we're at the bottom. So it's not like time to sell. Time to sell was here and here. All right, so let's track it and trade on. This one is No signal to take profit even. So here, buy, take profit, sell. Kind of weird, but we didn't see the signal take profits, take profit from the sales. At least on a daily, we saw the sell, drop, take profit, buy, and still no signals to sell. It's good. It's good. It's bullish and take profit. Now we try hold a line around the buy line. So I hope this is the main support. I hope this is main support, because if not, we drop it down to the sweep of that liquidity pool again, to the fundamental value of the stock in 1280, and after that can bounce to 34.38, exit line 38.90. Weekly time frame, we underrated. It's bullish, but take a look. The take profit line on the weekly, now it's 64.77. Exit line, it's 72.87, but lines are dynamic. That's why, guys, be careful, because we can see something like this one, for example, drop to, I don't know, to 7 cents. Starknet drop it and still kept drop it down, and still can't find the main support. That's why we can't know where the ENA will stop if we drop it down under the Donald Trump dump in October. So maybe it's going to be the head and shoulder pattern, and we correct to the test of this downtrend line. And I repeat again, we can't know when. So if the test can be in April 26, yes, it can be 93 cents. If it can be in August, it can be the test of 81 cents. If it will be the, I don't know, December 26, it will be 72. Weekly favor again. That's why, guys, we can't know the time. So anyway, we can add alerts. You can add also the alerts, not a paper trading. This one, take profits, take profit line, and wait. So it will be not a mistake to fix the profit there. Guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment what you think about ENA. If you'd like to trade it with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.